i.e. Energy Saving Kit, outreach by the Energy Resources Center, ERC IUIC powered by ComEd. Google slide presentation by Luis Osornio, Ashley Ramirez Gonzaga, and Lilith Ramirez. What does the IE kit include? The IE Energy Saving Kit has the following items inside: 15W LED lamps, 5W LED, 60W candelabra, 5W LED, 60W glow, 3-way, 15W LED lamp, plumper tape, occasional bunchers, advanced power strip, faucet aerator for bathroom, faucet aerator for kitchen, shower heads, LED night light. What are the IE energy saving kits? Energy saving kits are packages that contain items that allow people to save money on gas, water, and electrical bills. The importance of the energy kits. Energy efficiency of the IE kit. Saving energy reduces the amount of water used by faucet aerator for bathroom, faucet aerator for kitchen, and shower head. Save electricity with 15W LED lamps, 5W LED, 60W candelabra, 5W LED, 60W globe, and 3-way 15W LED lamp. Being able to save the tiniest amount of water and electricity helps the environment with reducing your carbon footprint. Saving money. One IE kit per household can save up to $98 per year per household. Helps people pay for efficiency upgrades through utility bills. The IE Kit program gives $750 million to other programs that provide training for new energy jobs and which then helps customers cut their utility bills. The kit is also free, which means you won't pay for anything. Statistics about the IE Kit. Since 2006, ComEd had issued over 176,000 energy kits to income-eligible households. Illinois, sorry about that. A single IE kit per household can save families up to $98 every year for each household. The ComEd-sponsored program has assisted approximately 70% of the Illinois population. For the year 2021, the distribution goal is 60,000 IE kits. Requirements: A IE kit can be given to a single-family homes, duplexes, condominiums, and townhomes. They are all qualified. Family must earn less than 80% of the area median income based on their zip code in order to qualify. The other ways the IE Kit program is helping. When having an IE Kit program, the Energy Resources Center is able to create jobs for people with special needs, which makes the employer feel like they belong because they aren't discriminated based on their special needs. The employers are responsible for creating the IE kit in the warehouse. Contact information. Have additional questions or concern? Contact Oscar Mora Diaz or Claudia. Thank you and have a good day.